Decided to test something crazy. What if I used Claude AI for 24 hours straight, with zero experience, and tried to make money online? No skills, no audience, no budget. Just AI. And honestly, the result surprised me. Because most videos will tell you it's easy. But I actually tried it step by step, and I'll show you exactly what worked, what didn't, and how much I made. Welcome to AI Tools Daily, where I test AI tools and show you real ways to make money online. If you want realistic strategies, not fake guru advice, make sure you subscribe. Alright, here was my plan. I had 24 hours. My goal, make at least $100 using Claude AI. So I picked the fastest method possible, freelancing. Why? Because you don't need followers, you don't need money, you just need clients. I went to freelancing platforms and looked for simple services like blog writing, product descriptions, and email copywriting. Now here's where Claude AI comes in. Instead of writing everything myself, I used AI to generate the content. For example, I gave it a prompt like, write a high-converting product description for a fitness brand targeting beginners. And within seconds, I had something usable. But here's something most people don't tell you. If you just copy and paste AI content, it won't work, so I made small edits. Changed tone, fixed sentences, made it sound more human. My first few attempts. Honestly, nothing happened. No replies. No orders. And this is where most people quit. But I kept going. I improved my prompts, made my proposals better, and tried again. And then something changed. I finally got a response. A client needed a product description. I used Claude AI, edited it slightly, and sent it. And a few hours later, I got my first payment. It wasn't huge. But it was real. I made my first $10. Then I repeated the same process, and by the end of the test, I had made around $50. Here's what I learned. Number 1, AI is a tool, not magic. Number 2, your first result takes time. And number 3, consistency beats everything. Most people fail, not because it doesn't work, but because they stop too early. So can you make money with Claude AI? Yes. But only if you actually use it consistently. And if you want, I can do a full challenge, like turning $0 into $500 using AI step by step. Let me know in the comments, and I might do it next. I realized something important during this experiment. If I had to start again, I wouldn't waste time doing random things. I would focus on just one method, freelancing, and improve my prompts from the start. Because the difference between getting ignored and getting paid is how you present your work. So if you're starting, focus on better prompts, better proposals, better consistency. Let me quickly show you how you can do this step by step. Step 1, go to Claude AI and generate content. Step 2, choose a simple service like product descriptions. Step 3, create a gig or send proposals. Step 4, edit AI output before sending. Step 5, deliver fast and get reviews. If you follow this properly, your first earning is just a matter of time.